In my opinion, nothing goes better with fish, ribs, and pulled pork than coleslaw. That being said, I started shying away from slaw since many recipes are too darn boring. You can practically get mayonnaise poisoning from many coleslaw recipes, not to mention how much shredded cabbage can one person stand. Then a thought crossed my mind. I'll bet there's more than one way to fix coleslaw. Below are 3 different recipes for traditional coleslaw, along with 4 slaw variations that taste great but use little or no cabbage at all. A traditional recipe for coleslaw starts with shredded cabbage and carrot. I usually take half a cabbage and 2 carrots, which I shred in the food processor. If you don't have a food processor or the shredder attachment, you can shred cabbage by hand using a chef's knife and a cutting board. Now that that's done with, let's talk about coleslaw sauce, because that's where the rubber meets the road. Plain Jane coleslaw like your mama used to make is basically nothing more than mayo, sugar, vinegar, salt, and pepper. However, I like to eliminate the sugar and substitute honey, plus a healthy dollop of mustard for a honey mustard variation that my family and friends rave about. But that's not the end of the road by any means. You can make an Asian variation by adding a 1/4 cup of Thai sweet pepper sauce, or a Hawaiian version by substituting pineapple juice for the vinegar. In both these dishes, I usually add a 1/4 of a shredded purple cabbage to the mix because it just looks more exotic. In a large bowl, toss shredded cabbage, black beans, corn, red bell pepper, cilantro, and jalapeno until well combined. Whisk together mayonnaise, sour cream, lime juice, taco seasoning mix, salt, and cumin until smooth and creamy. Pour over the veggies and stir until combined. Slice the zucchini into matchsticks by hand or use a food processor with a shredder attachment. Sprinkle the shredded zucchini with the salt and toss to coat. In a separate bowl, mix together the soy sauce, vinegar, olive oil, sesame oil, garlic powder, and ground ginger. Add the dressing and sesame seeds to the bowl with the zucchini. In a large bowl, make the dressing by whisking together the vinegar, honey, mustard, orange zest, and salt until the seasonings are dissolved. Whisk in the sesame oil. Add coleslaw mix, onion, and cilantro to the dressing. Toss well to combine. Just before serving, peel, seed, and dice the avocado. Add the avocado and pineapple to the coleslaw. Wash and prepare the vegetables. Peel the carrots and beetroots. Wear gloves to protect your hands from beet juice. Chop your red pepper and spring onions. Grate the carrots and beetroot. Place the shredded carrot and beets in a mixing bowl. Add chopped spring onions and red pepper. Then mix gently. Add the liquid ingredients, including the olive oil, mustard, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice. Salt to taste. As you can see, with a bit of imagination, coleslaw can be a lot more interesting than most people would believe. Variations can be paired with many different kinds of food. So, instead of fighting the slaw, come up with your own winning variations of this traditional dish that won't put your taste buds to sleep.